That is a dart that Kurt Angle shot into the back of the Big Show.
Right, so
That's a tranquilizer dart, boy.
How's this feel?
Oh, now Kurt Angle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. I'm enjoying this. Yeah. Hey. Time for a new haircut. Something to remind you of.
Give it to him.
You'll always remember me now, Shaw. Give it to him. Everything you do. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good.
Come on, JR, exert your authority. Do something. This is not right. Double J signed the contract. And the golden locks of Double J. They're using a pair of common ordinary shears on him.
And there's the sleeper.
This is ridiculous.
I love it.
Beefcake should be fined and suspended by President Jack Tunney.
For what?
For what? For doing what he's doing to the Genius. The Genius did nothing.
Match is over, Jess. Yeah, you gotta get it off the back, Brunei. They're loving it here at Skydome.
Oh, no. Oh, my Lord.
Right down the middle.
This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Oh, no. Ugh. Oh, my God. Look at that.
What Andrea's out. What? Oh no. Oh, this is humiliation. This is sheer humiliation. I can't believe it that nothing's happened to stop this. This is ridiculous. They won't stop. Look at this, both of them.
Oh my, no.
Oh my.
A nightmare. A complete nightmare.
Not the pedigree on that trash lid. Oh! Oh, wow!
How vindictive can somebody get?
Oh, wait a minute.
He's got a scissors in his hand. Cutting the dumpster's hair.
Oh, no.
Wow.
Look at
Helmsley trying to humiliate Duke the Dumpster Droese just because Droese beat him in the free-for-all. Come on. Look at that.
The barber's supposed to do the cutting here. I was under the impression. Jericho's not waiting for the barber. Oh my God! Look, JR! You want this? What? He's butchered. This is not a haircut. This is a butcher job. Jericho is having a field day here. Nash is starting to come around, but Jericho cut a bunch of Nash's hair before he butchered him. Oh no! Oh my God! Shaving Mr. McMahon bald. The great mysteries of life has just been discovered. It was Mr. McMahon's real hair all along.
I've been a victim of a crime.
No, wait a minute. No, don't do this. Now, this gives a new meaning to a little off the side. At least let the barber do it, Victoria. You're doing a butcher job. Horrible haircut. That looks like a barber school dropouts haircut. The worst I've ever seen. What a humiliating, embarrassing moment for the former women's champion, having her head shaved at WrestleMania 20.
What
What are you doing? And there's just got those shears. He's not a barber. No, wait. Okay, little bit. Oh my. Anderson, not Moose either. I don't think.
You don't need Moose anymore.
I don't think so.